Country people, and welcome back to my channel today. Sheggz Olu don come out to come celebrate im mama for her birthday, and also Maria Chike don come out come celebrate her son as he clock 4 months old. And lastly, Phyna don come out come talk her mind about the people wey be say dey drag her for the live video wey be say she do few hours ago. So today, Sheggz take to his Instagram handle to come celebrate im mama for her birthday. So this na the clip wey be say im drop. He no wan do too much something make people come dey share video up and down, so he just come out for Instagram story to come post the beautiful woman. So he come say happy birthday mom, aka bestie, God bless you for everything. The woman get the shape of I don't know what I go say. Na Sheggz get the shape of im mama face. They look so much alike and so fine. Well, happy birthday mama. So onto Maria Chike matter. Maria, she come out today, her baby clock 4 months old today, and she come out to come celebrate her baby boy. So this is her baby boy. See as pikin fine, look so healthy. You should be saying once you just born yellow pikin like this, and the pikin must fine. I don't know why. So she can say 4 months old today, come put love emoji. But why her baby daddy Oga Kevin dey cover his face with this cap? He no dey ever wan show face for camera, being the shame. So this is Maria's mom with the baby. They look so much alike. See the way the pikin they even smile. Pikin maybe say they born enter rich family, they know. Well, I wish them well, but e no change the fact to say me I no sabi support people wey be say dey kolobi another woman husband. That na something wey be say I go always dey talk about, whether Nigerians like it or not. I will never support such. The baby is beautiful and I like the way the pikin dey shine, but e no change the fact say wetin Maria do e no good. If you dey watch this video and you never subscribe, abeg try subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that anytime wey be say I drop new aproko, you go get am instantly. And also help me like this video, share am, and drop your comments for the comment section below. Now, thank you. So onto Phyna matter. Phyna come out come do a live video a few hours ago wey I drop for my previous video about the type of man wey be say she dey plan to settle down with. According to her, she say na the type of Charlie Poppy vibe na be say she wan settle down with. So that video come go viral and people come select certain things where they want use take bash her for inside. First of all, they say her lip too black. Later they come to say say she look very fat for the video. I no see the how many fat wey Phyna even fat for that video. So make I just read wetin she talk where they make her vex. So she come say, this morning I am here to say all of you are mad because since after my life yesterday, these are the cause. As in, people come they call her immediately after she do that her live video finish, come they get different calls from different people. So she come say, number one, Phyna, you were looking so fat. This now one of the things where they tell her when they call her. Number two, Phyna, your lips is black. Number three, Phyna, you shouldn't talk about the kind of man you want on life. 4, Phyna, it's high time you let go of pidgin English, etc. Una dey mad. And so she can use anger, say everybody they mad, including her fans, Nation, all of us we dey mad. So her statement, the thing no sweet for some people belle because they believe to say if as you they claim to say na people call you, why not talk to the people who call you for phone instead of coming online to come they curse everybody. After all, no be we call you, no be we tell you to say you fat, no be we tell you to say your lip black, no be we tell you to say make you stop to the speak pidgin. One thing wey be say una suppose even understand be say Phyna, she's from Edo State. There's no how she's not going to speak pidgin. You not get how she not go speak pidgin. Being a celebrity no mean to say na the fans go dictate for you everything wey be say you do. You Naija fans, once they just be your fan, they want anything wey be say they tell you make you do, make you just do, and life not fit be like that. You just see some comments where we say people drop about this her matter where we say she come table for us. So the first person can say, I think you should have told them directly on the cause instead of coming here to tweet it. Don't you think so? Another one can say, even if sense is coming down like rain, Phyna will use umbrella to cover herself. Mumu girl. Of these things wey be say she actually talk, I'm not sure say na just about the people wey call her, because when I see the comment for that live wey be say she dey do, na exactly this thing wey she type for here na people dey talk. People say her lip black, people say she too dey speak pidgin and she don become celebrity, she suppose throway pidgin, she suppose dey tush. I don tell una to say tush no dey for her dictionary, she no wan dey classy, she prefer that word raz wey everybody dey call her. Una no wan hear. So another person come say, as you no dey get engagement again, you decided to chase clout in a negative way, Phyna. The truth be say Phyna is a clout chaser, and Phyna too na still the clout, because anything wey be say Phyna talk, everybody dey wan carry and everybody go wan talk put for inside. But I don notice say Phyna, she dey always like the negative things wey be say dey come out from everything wey be say she dey do. She really enjoy it, and negativity even dey pay pass. If we really wan dey honest with ourselves, if you post a controversial video or you talk about something controversial, na that kind of thing na be say dey spark conversation among people, and whereas it will give you engagement for your page. So I don't notice that most people go talk say you like negativity, this one, but at the end of the day, all of us na the same thing. If you talk something very positive about people, now if you talk, for instance, you talk something bad about person, you talk good for the same page about person, people not go check that good way you talk about person. Now the bad one when you talk, now they go always speak. So you can't please human being completely. So another person can say, so we dey mad last because others insulted you, madam. This her statement really paid a lot of people. You dey mad na number two, all of us dey talk now, so not be big deal. So the next person say, Big Brother Nigeria has really failed this country. How the hell did they give this kind of weird person like Tasha and Phyna from? Where did they get this kind of weird people like Tasha and Phyna from? These girls are not role models in any way. My dear, if you dey find role model, I'm not sure say you're supposed to even the reason Big Brother people. Don't you have parents? Even if your parents not there again, don't you have relations that you will use as role model? Use God as role model or any other this thing. It must not be a Big Brother Nigeria person. So another person can say, now you dey mad though. The next one say, abeg go try set boundaries for your insult oh. Sure? Which one na? The next one say, omo, you no get handwork. See as your life this does spoil. See that thing wey beside dey tell that say all the things, if person drop something finish, na the one wey be say the negative one, na people go always see to pick. All the things wey be say she dey complain or say people dey call her, nobody see am oh. Na the one wey be say she talk say una dey mad, na that one na everybody concentrate on, use and dey drag her. So the last person can say, generalizing that statement, all of you are mad, is bad and totally unacceptable, Phyna. Some are not even aware of the live section you had yesterday. Please learn to ignore sometimes. It will help your mental health. Well, Phyna already tell us, so say now we and her for this country, so we will just the look. Una take care, una bye.